Now we're at the third property. We're going to look at the features and the unique floor plan. And so there are many floor plans that you can choose from, just to make it your own. There are a lot of opportunities for you to negotiate. It's good to have a buyer's rep, just when you're working with builders, just so that you can get all the things that you need for you and your family in terms of amenities, finishes, features, whatever there is that you prefer. We can negotiate that for you. And so here's another floor plan we're going to look at. There are several others, but I just want to make sure that you are aware that you have several options if you're interested in this particular community over in Lakeland Meadows. So let's check it out. All right, so now we're going to walk further into the home and into our tour. As you can see here, there's a bathroom. And then there's another guest room. On the other side of the great room is the master bedroom. And we also see that there's a standalone bathtub, walk-in shower, his and hers vanity sinks, a super large closet, walk-in closet, and the laundry room too is right off from the master bedroom suite. So this is a beautiful home. Regency Home Builders does a great job with finishes and developing homes for families just like yours. So hopefully you consider this property as a place to call home. At the moment, Regency Home Builders is also offering a builder's credit. That's something that you can consider also in your home purchase. There are a lot of opportunities too that we can talk about that may be fitting for you. And that's what I'm here for, to help you do that. But I wanted to show you other parts of the home. We're now upstairs. Here's another bedroom. Bathroom. Another bedroom upstairs. And a bonus room. So you see there's a nice bonus room here that you can extend out to an office if needed. It just kind of depends on what you're looking to achieve. And then there's extra storage space. See, there's an opportunity to make this place your own. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour and you find that this is something that you like to look further into in terms of purchasing. Again, like I mentioned, there's a builder's credit available. So that concludes the tour today here in Lakeland Meadows, the Lakeland Meadows Communities subdivision. My name is Kelsey Mansbray. If you have any questions about the property or any other properties in or around Memphis, I'm happy to help. Have a great day.